friends, how you are and how's going on? I hope you are doing well. So today we are going to learn Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series is the most common question is asked in all technical interviews. Fibonacci series is the easy, but it is a little bit logical question. So the Fibonacci series question may be asked in three ways, like what is Fibonacci series, second, find n terms of the Fibonacci series, and third is the find nth term of the Fibonacci series. Let's know what is Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series is the number where number is addition of the last two numbers and starting with 0 and 1, and the Fibonacci series is that.
Let's start how to code Fibonacci series. I will tell you how to program in Java as well as in Python. So let's start. So I will open another tab, and I will start here my coding. And first we will start in Java. Let's see. I will give its name, that is Fibonacci. .java.
So first of all, I will create an object of scanner class, that is scanner. Sc is equal to new scanner, and we have to pass an argument of system.in. Now we will ask for the term, for which term or for till which term we have to find the Fibonacci series. And we will take now variable. And let's we call an method named get Fibonacci number or series. Let's rename it Fibonacci, and we will pass it argument as term, and now our result will be in out. So now we will print out. Let's see first how to return a number of terms of the Fibonacci series. So for that we have to create an array list of integer. And we will get our returned list in our list, and to access the list we have to call in for each loop int for each x in list. This is the for each loop. I will remove ln because print ln, what it does, for every term it will print our next term in the next line, but I want to print the whole series in a single line with separated with space. So x will be the term, and I will concatenate it with empty space. So let's work for the get Fibonacci series, because this function is called inside static method, so we have to take out method which has a modifier as static keyword. So we will take public static get Fibonacci, and type of the variable is int, and this term variable. So we have to create an array list here also, because for each term we will add in array list, and then after that we will return whole array list as a Fibonacci series. So we have to create the list also, that is integer type. This is a generic type, as we know. Let's start. If someone typed that he wants only first term, that is first term, what is first term is 0, as we know first two terms are 0 and 1, and subsequent next what will be the next term, third term, that is a 0 plus 1, that is equal to 1. So if someone want first term, then we will do if term is equals to 1. So what we will do, we will add, so we will add the one in the list dot add, that is 1, and then because it is given term is equal to 1, so we will return list here, list. So list will contain only one item, else for more than one term we will return the list from else part. That is we have to take two variables, like int previous is equal to 0, so to take two terms, previous and next, int next 1. So that will be the previous and next terms, and the last two terms addition will be the next term, that is nth term. Previous plus next, and for this term we will add in list will have list dot add previous list dot add next. For term t is equals to, for terms is equal to 2, we have two terms like 0 and 1, and for terms greater than 2 we will add the all subsequent next terms in the list inside while loop. Now we will take in while loop for the term minus 2 is not equals to 0. We will apply this while loop until term minus 2 is not equals to 0. We have taken term minus 2 because here you can see I already added two terms, previous and next term, in our list. So for the two terms it will be the term minus 2. For third term it will enter in the while loop. And what we are going to do in the while loop, that is nth is equals to previous plus next, and we will add this term into list dot add nth. And now we have to provide next value into our previous value, that is previous is equal to next, and in the next term we will provide, that is nth term. And now we will decrease our term minus 1. Term is equals to term minus 1. Perfect. Now we will return our list list. Now our code is ready, so let's start. We will run. Just try to compile and run. This is my terminal. Our program in this folder, so I will open this terminal, my program in this, and our program is this Fibonacci.java. So I will open the terminal from here, and program name is Fibonacci.java. The file name should be Fibonacci capital X. Java C. First we will compile the program Java C. The program name is Fibonacci.java. There is some error. Let's see what's the error. Here given is I took colon. The problem is this, because in Java there is no colon. We can get it as a bracket, but we cannot apply the colon outside. This is a process for the Python, because I have done Python and Java both as well, so that is the problem. Sometimes I use some syntax in Java and Java syntax in Python. There is no problem. Okay, let's try again to compile. Method declaration is invalid. Let's see what's the problem. As now here I have forgot the return type, because I am returning here the list, so it's a return type should be the list only, a list that is an integer type. Now let's see. Cannot find a symbol. Okay, so list symbol is not find. It means I have to import the list interface in this program also. That is, we have to add here import java.util.star list and array list are in the utility package, so I have to import this. Let's try again to compile. Now there is no error. Let's compile. For how many terms of the Fibonacci series? I want 5 terms. As you can see, our 5 terms are 0, 1, 1, 2 and 3. I will remove the ln, so the input will be taken from here, and for the output I will give the next line, that is system.out.println empty. Let's compile Java Fibonacci.java. There is no compilation error. Let's run. How many terms of the Fibonacci series? Let's this time I want 8 number of the series, and that will be the 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8 and 13. That is first term, second term, third term, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and 8th. That's I want the 13 terms of the Fibonacci series. That is this. So this is easy. Sometimes what question they ask, that is they want only the nth term. Let's, if their requirement is that they want to only fifth term, that is 3, and if they in the question they are asked the 8th term, that is 13. Sometimes if they will ask they want only 13th term, that is 144. I have to return from this function only 144 for that is nth term. Let's see how I do the changes in our the same code. Next we need to do, that is we will comment this code and what I will do, I will comment for this list function. I do not need a list. I only require the integer variable to store our result, that is int result is equals to get Fibonacci. I will pass here that is the term, and I will display our result in system.out.println that is result. And for that return type should be the different. We will comment here, and we will take another line, that is public static int. We will return only one term for that is an integer value, so we will take a return type as a int, and then get Fibonacci, that is a int variable term, list dot get, that is the method to get at the index, and we will write temp minus 1 inside it. So we will do this same thing here also. List dot add, list dot get, and then temp minus 1. Now it's Now it's perfect. Let's see for which term. We will take here which term of the Fibonacci series, so that will be written the term. So clear. Let's compile again and run again. Now this time we want 8th term. What is the 8th term? 13. And what is, let's again try. We will ask for the 13th term. There is 144. 13th term, that is 144. That is perfect. So this is the Fibonacci series code I have written for you in the Java.